This is a video of room 4105 on Rotterdam. Fully accessible room, but it is obstructed. You put your key on the lock, and to turn on the lights, the key just goes into this slot here. You can see they have handicap accessible door handles. Full-size mirror for those who use wheelchairs or scooters, and to sit in, you can see the entire view. Fridge, you can ask the attendant to remove the alcohol if you wish. 3 cupboard drawers, and they are self-closing. Wine bar with ice and wine glasses, storage underneath, along with side table storage. You can put your suitcases underneath for storage. And there's also drawers underneath the bed at the end as well, with storage space. Ample room. You can park a scooter beside the end of the bed. Bathroom is fully accessible. Tons of space. You can come in with your walker, leave it. Fully accessible bathroom, sink. You can put your wheelchair underneath if needed. And grab bars everywhere. Shower mat. And drain at the entrance to the doorway of the shower, so you don't have to worry about water getting out. Fully accessible bench drop down. Shower. Again, tons of grab bars, and shampoo, conditioner, and body soap in the shower itself. Ample space for towels. And again, grab bar in the back of the door. Towel bar, towel hooks that are at the right height for handicapped people. Additional storage space, the other side of the bed. The beds can be split, so if you are 2 people who don't want their beds together, that's not a problem. And a window to the outside. As I said, this is an accessible room, or this is an ambulatory room, sorry, and it is partially obstructed. So some drawers from the cupboard. And there is a hairdryer and mirror, again, closing drawers. One mirror, which has light built in. You hit the toggle switch, the lights come on. A bench and wardrobe closet for clothing, and your life jackets are in the bottom, and you can have laundry done, and it's delivered back to you. More wardrobe space. There's a safe, bathrobes, another life jacket. A small bench and a chair. And then you can see that the drapes have handles on them, and low, so you're able to open them. And then the door handle. You can can see has an accessible ramp, so you can go outside with your wheelchair or scooter. And so this is partially obstructed. This is the lifeboat, and you can see that you can stand at the level of the railing and you have full view. There is the overhang. This is deck 4. And then you also have more space, 2 chairs with footrests. And then lots of room out to the angle on the deck. If need be, and you have someone beside you that you're sharing space with, you can also unlock the door to access their balcony as well. And then to close the door as you do it, oh, it's a heavy door. Very heavy door to get closed. And you can see that it lifts up the ramp, and you can close your drapes. And this is room 4105, Beethoven deck, fully accessible, partially obstructed room.